Good morning, dear students. You know that this is your class with NCERT EVS book, and we are reading the chapter number 16, Who Will Do This Work. And you know that in this chapter we are learning about some people who are believed as the lower caste, and you know that it is these are the people who pick up the garbage and clean our school, offices, road, etc. for earning some money. So in this part of the chapter we will read some questions. What kind of work or job do people not want to do? Why? So who does this kind of work? Why do people do this kind of work that others do not want to do? Imagine what would happen if nobody did this work. If nobody cleared the garbage lying outside your school or your house for 1 week, then what would happen? Think if some ways, such as machines or other things, so that people would not have to do the work they don't like to do. Draw a picture of what you thought. So, dear students, in this part of the chapter, it is said that it is not our duty to help these type of people. So, we should not throw the garbage here or there. And more, some more from this, that it is said that there should be some machines, there should be some other ways that pick up the garbage, such as the crane. The crane is a machine, and the crane also can lift the garbage. And when this type of machine will be used, then this type of people will get relief for this type of dirty job. So students, you are watching that there are some pictures. So these are some pictures which are drawn by the children like you, that can be used for picking up the garbage. Now this is the answer number 1. The work which does not require much brain or not challenging, for example, work of a sweeper, gatekeeper, doing whitewash or building, etc. People does not want to these jobs because these jobs we cannot earn well. These are not challenging, and these are not considered respectful. This is the answer number 2. So who does this kind of work? Why do people do this kind of work that others do not want? So here the answer is the poor people usually do this kind of work. This is because they do not have enough money to study and get a good job. Even if they study and get a degree, they still do not get a good job. They have been in this job since their grandparents or even before that. Thus, they are forced to get into this job only. Now, this is the answer. What would happen if nobody did this job? So the answer is, if nobody would clear the garbage lying outside our school or our houses, there would be a lot of garbage accumulated here and there on the roads. The place would become very filthy and foul smelling. A lot of mosquitoes and other germs would breed in these areas and spread diseases. Some other ways for cleaning, so that the people would not have to do this work, are like crane. A crane can be used which carries huge amount of garbage at a time and does not require people to hold the garbage by hands, as you are watching here. A crane can be used for picking up the garbage. Number 2, Dalao. It is a special type of big dustbin in which the garbage is collected.